The Perinatal Institute was created to provide resources to tackle tough problems. The concept behind the Perinatal Institute is based on the principle that outstanding care for our patients requires input from many different disciplines. Perinatal Institute has allowed us to assemble a functional group of experts that are focusing on optimizing diagnosis, treatment, and most importantly, outcomes for these patients.
So the team begins with understanding the basic science underlying the malformations that we have to take care of, and then creating a clinical team. So this continuum of understanding and care can be brought to bear with multiple talents.
Using the structure that now has become the Perinatal Institute, we were able to work with our obstetrical colleagues throughout the region. Long before the Perinatal Institute was created, a large number of preterm babies were born outside of level 3 newborn intensive care specialty perinatal centers. And we knew even back then that there was a higher risk that those infants would not survive.
We have a high rate of prematurity in the Cincinnati area, and work throughout our institution and in our community over the last several years has focused on those treatable or avoidable complications.
One of the key components of the Perinatal Institute, understanding basic research, understanding the value of basic research, and understanding how that research is connected with actual patient outcomes.
The most important accomplishments of the Perinatal Institute are to integrate the many aspects of both clinical care and clinical research around the care of newborns and their mothers.
And that's resulted in fewer deaths, so that we don't assume that we're doing a good job. We actually know that we're doing a good job.